This simple alarm clock app pulled in over $100,000 last month. 10 million downloads on Google Play alone. The owner has easily made over $1 million with this one app. And I just cloned it in under an hour without writing a single line of code. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it too, step by step. And by the end of this video, you will have a working app that you can publish and start making money on from day one. Now here's the thing that most people don't realize. Building an app like this normally requires serious technical knowledge, expensive developers, and months of work. But what if I told you that you can skip all of that? In step 1, we'll use BrainDumper to generate a perfectly engineered prompt, so you don't need any advanced prompt engineering skills. In step 2, we'll feed that prompt into an AI no-code builder that creates entire apps in minutes. In step number 3, we're going to iterate and customize the app using nothing but a chat box, adding more features to the app and even Stripe payments so you can start making money ASAP. And finally, in step 4, we're going to publish the app live to the internet with just one click. What used to take a team of developers weeks and thousands of dollars, you're about to do yourself in the next 20 minutes. Let's get into it. Alright, let me break down exactly what we are building. This is an alarm clock app specifically designed for heavy sleepers and for people who always use the snooze button. The app simply plays sounds that are effective for waking up, but not annoying. It can also work as a productivity tool for anyone who needs to break up their day into manageable blocks, like for example students preparing for exams, athletes in training sessions, or anyone who just needs structured focus time. The download numbers prove that there's a massive market for this type of productivity tool. But instead of just making a mobile app, we're building a web app that works both on phones and desktop screens. Step 1. Planning the app. First, we'll head over to braindumper.ai, and this is a completely free tool that I built to help you write an optimized initial prompt for AI app builders, and it's already been used by over 17,000 builders building their app. So BrainDumper makes the AI instantly understand your app idea and all its features, which means that you don't burn through AI tokens and it saves you a lot of money. The biggest mistake that people who use AI app builders make is not being detailed enough in their prompts. You need to describe in detail what it is that you want to get built, so the AI actually understands what you're thinking. Okay, so now let's click on continue, and as you can see here, I'm running a $3,000 cash prize hackathon together with Base44. It ends February 15th, and the entire goal is for you to build, ship, and market your app to actually get your first paying user. To participate in the hackathon, you just need to choose Base44 as the AI app builder here. Now just click on the generate build plan button, and that's it. This takes about 10 seconds. So BrainDumper is now taking your app idea and filling in all of the gaps, and then turning it into a clean prompt that makes it easy for Base44 to understand exactly what it needs to build. Okay, so now it's done, so now just click on the copy and open Base44 button. Step 2, building the app. So in Base44 now, we just need to paste in the prompt that we just copied from BrainDumper and then hit build now. So now the app is getting built automatically with the help of AI. Oh, and by the way, if you go back to BrainDumper and click on share BrainDumper in the bottom left corner, you're able to earn 10 free credits for each friend that you refer, and every friend that you invite will also earn 10 free credits. I've also written the entire tutorial as a step-by-step guide on my blog if you want it written as a checklist. And if you need any help or want any feedback on your app, you can join our free Discord community where you can network with other builders just like you. Links for all of these are in the description. Okay, there we go. So just in a few minutes, Base44 has generated a fully functional app without us writing a single line of code. While this is good, it's not perfect yet. We need to change a few things. And this is where Base44 really shines. On the left side here, it has this chatbot where we can directly talk with the entire codebase since it's AI. This allows anyone to build apps and edit it as they go. Step 3, iterating the app. Now let's go through the entire app and see what needs to be changed. First, I want to add a dark mode and light mode toggle to the homepage. Now this isn't that important for the MVP, but I just want to build it out to show you that it's possible. And MVP stands for minimum viable product, which is basically the bare bones version of your app with only the essential features that the app needs to actually function. So I'll go straight to the AI chat and give it the prompt to generate a light mode and dark mode switch in the app. And just like that, now it's done and the feature is added. And just look, when I test it, it actually works first try. Perfect, but now I want more customization options in the app, such as wallpapers and additional themes, because it will allow users to design the app for themselves. So I will just type in a prompt that explains that we want this customization of the app themes. And nice, the app is updated with these new features. Now I want the users to be able to preview the wake up missions when setting an alarm. This is an important feature to convert this simple alarm clock app into a productivity app with thousands of monthly users. And also, while whilst we're at it, let's add some more mission options as well. So I'm just telling the chatbot exactly that and sending the prompt. And just a few moments later, we now have mission previews and the new missions. And the logic for some of these missions is incredibly tricky to code correctly. From experience, when I used to work as a full stack developer, implementing features like these by hand can take days, even as an experienced developer. But Base 44 did it in minutes. That's just insane. And remember to always keep testing the features as you build them out, because the revert feature rolls back everything to an earlier version. So if you stack multiple features without testing and something breaks, reverting means that you will lose all of the progress that you have just made. So all you have to do is just to keep this exact cycle going. Build a new feature, then test the new feature, and then refine it to make sure it actually works. Then you just repeat this cycle until you have your app exactly as how you envisioned it. But remember, we're building this app to make money, so there has to be a way for users to pay for premium features. So at this point, let's just ask the AI to hide some of the features behind a paywall. So I will just ask Base 44 to set up premium subscriptions for some of the current features behind a Stripe paywall. And even a generic request like this is enough for the AI to handle all of the complex building for you. And still we have not written a single line of code. Okay, so now it's done and you can use this setup as it is, or you can choose which features that you want to be premium, which is hidden behind a paywall. And here's the thing, there's so many features that you can ask the AI to generate for you. The possibilities are literally endless, but this is not necessarily a good thing. Building faster does not mean that you should build more. Focus on one problem and give one solution. All your app needs is just a few core features done really well. Now with AI, building is just 5% of the work. The remaining 95% of the work is marketing. Perfect, so now let's move on to the final step. Step 4, publishing the app and getting it one step closer to generating revenue. Now when it comes to deploying the app, Base 44 has actually made it so easy that all you need to do is just to click on one simple button. Let me show you. So in the top right corner in Base 44, click on the publish button. Then this pop-up appears with some extra options. So the main one is the domain section. So just click on manage and you will see a page that lets you customize where your app lives. Here you have 3 choices. The first one is connecting a domain you already own with the connect your domain button. The second option is buying a new domain directly within Base 44 with the buy domain button. And the third option is where you can edit the built-in domain using the edit URL button. So for this video, I will take option 3 and edit my URL to something memorable like this. But I highly recommend you buy your own domain when you publish an app to the public. Of course, only if you market the app to make money from it. Because with a domain, it looks way more professional and it builds trust. It's so much better than using the default base.44 app URL. Now you will need to be on the builder plan for custom domains, but luckily Base 44 includes a free domain for the first year if you choose the builder plan. Okay, so now click on publish app and wait for it. There we go. After just a few seconds, the app is live. It's just insane that we are able to build an app by just chatting with AI in English. You can now send this app to beta testers or actual users to start getting feedback, or even better, start getting paid users. Now if you click on this share app button, you can send invitations to users without needing any other third-party tools. And just like that, you have gone from an idea to a published app without writing a single line of code. Don't forget to join my free Discord community via the link in the description. And if you want to see more tutorials like this one, check out this video right here. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy building.